Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change Gemini to Google Assistant. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If Gemini has replaced Google Assistant on your Android phone and you want to switch it back to Google Assistant, what you need to do is first head over and then open up your Gemini app. Then be sure to be logged into your account if you aren't, and once logged in you will be seeing your profile picture on the top right corner of the screen. Simply tap on that. Now on tapping you'll be provided with bunch of options like Gemini Apps Activity, Apps, Gem Manager, and under Privacy Help Hub you'll be finding the option that says Settings. Simply tap on that. Now once you're inside your Gemini settings, here what you need to do is scroll down until you find the option that says Digital Assistants from Google. Then once you're inside the Digital Assistants from Google, choose Google Assistant from the list instead of Gemini. Then this will make Google Assistant your default assistant again when you long press on your home button, swipe up on your gesture, or say hey Google. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.